Hey, so there's this groundbreaking two-way brain-computer interface developed by Chinese researchers. It's
Yeah,
like
exactly.
a system that connects the human brain and a computer directly, and it really redefines how we interact with devices.
That's wild. So it's not just reading signals, it's actually a conversation between brain and machine.
Right, indeed.
How does that work exactly?
Well, it's like instead of just decoding brain signals, the interface creates a feedback loop where both the computer and
Yeah,
the
go
brain
on.
learn from each other in real time. This adaptive process is really next level.
So, you're saying that the system essentially adapts to changes in our brain signals on the fly? What's the secret sauce behind that?
Absolutely. It relies on a combination of machine learning and memory stores, which, mimic neural networks.
Yeah, I get it. It's
This
like the
lets it
computer is
not
using
only
its own brain
interpret
cells.
signals, but actually help the brain fine-tune control simultaneously.
Interesting, so it kind of teaches the brain while it learns from it. That must have huge
exactly.
implications for people with paralysis, right?
Absolutely. It's a game changer for paralysis rehabilitation. With
Yeah,
just a
definitely.
thought, patients could potentially control devices, making everyday tasks way more accessible.
And on top of that, the test showed something like 100 times more efficiency and 1,000 times less energy use. That's
exactly.
a massive leap forward compared to traditional systems.
Right. Plus, the experiments with 10 participants indicated about a 20% better performance rate.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like they've
significant indeed.
supercharged the response and efficiency of the whole setup.
Now, considering all this, there's also talk about potential use in entertainment and even military applications. But isn't there like a big ethical
Exactly.
dilemma attached to such advances?
You're spot on. While the technology is super exciting, it does raise hefty concerns about privacy and human enhancement.
Yeah,
It's
right.
a double-edged
Those issues
sword.
are crucial. I mean, isn't it a bit risky to merge neural networks with our own brain functionalities for things beyond medicine?
Definitely.
How do we even ensure ethical boundaries are maintained?
That's a valid challenge. It's like designing a high-performance sports car with a treadmill engine.
Yeah, I see what
It sounds
you mean.
rad, but then you have to ask yourself if the risks might outweigh the benefits in non-medical fields.
Exactly. I mean, if we push it too far into entertainment or military zones, we might run into unintended consequences.
I
There
totally
has to be
agree.
a measured ethical approach, right?
Definitely. And it's like, while the technology offers immense possibilities, we need robust frameworks to keep things
Yeah,
in check.
absolutely.
That balance between innovation and ethics is what ultimately steers progress.
So, while it's amazing that memory stores are used to mimic neural pathways and enable such adaptive learning, do you think
Exactly.
we're really ready for the scenarios that might come next?
Well, it's like we're on the brink of a new era, one where our brains and machines are allies, not just tools. But
Yeah, that's a neat way
we
to put it.
definitely need ongoing dialogue around the risks.
And don't you think that, frankly, if not managed carefully, the leap in efficiency we see might lead us down a path of reliance on technology,
That's a fair critique.
almost like giving up a bit of our own autonomy?
Absolutely. That's a concern that many experts are voicing. As we refine
I
these
agree.
systems, it's paramount to maintain human oversight.
Fascinating stuff. This two-way interface really goes beyond just controlling devices. It's setting up a dialogue between biology and technology.
Yeah, precisely.
It's a thrilling yet cautious journey into the future.